Firstly, we open Power BI app, select go to the new option and get to the get data option and select Excel workbook, and we can here select global superstore data. Data is loading. Now we can select the column which we want in our data. We can select people or returns and go to the transform option, and here we can use the first row as a header and close and apply. Now we can go to the format option and change the canvas background to the blue color and make the transparency 100 to 0. Now we can go to the data option and select the columns which we want in our data sheet, and we can make in a table format. We can add another bar graphs or something in our dashboard in a one page, or make it larger also, and make it is visually appealing and looks clear, which explain everything. If someone don't know about it, also understand it. We can use the column specific column option